Hi guys, Vinny with Enriquez Group. Okay, these are 10 things you must factor in when you're preparing your property to get it sold. Okay, the easy one, the one that most people talk about is clean and declutter the inside and outside of your home. This will make it more appealing to potential buyers. I mean, who likes to go into a home and be cluttered up, right? So just clean up, just declutter, take some stuff away if you have to. Have a garage sale. Make necessary repairs. Fix any broken doors, leaky faucets, and other items. Now, you don't want the property maybe to be fully perfect, because no property is fully perfect, but you want to take care of the repairs you can take care of, right? Especially if it's something very big, right? If there was a leak or a flood, right, that you could have someone fix, and then you have some paint around it, kind of patch it up, that's going to make a world of difference, because most people that are buying a property are going into it not knowing what's actually, hey, is this going to be expensive? It's not going to be expensive. So you don't want their mind to kind of wander out there. Now it brings the next one. Freshen up the paint, okay? And I'll see sometimes where you'll have something that's very, very pops out, right? A very bright color, right? You can have dull, you can have like a white, like a gray. Freshen up the paint, make it feel a little bigger, okay? The fourth one, right, is stage your home. Arrange furniture, decorate it. And this kind of goes with the decluttering, but stage your home. Now, if you want a professional stager because the property is vacant, reach out to myself and my team, 858-345-7829, and we can help you out with stager if your property is vacant or you need something specific with the staging. Remove personal items. So when you walk into a property, when a buyer walks into the property, they want to envision that they're going to be living there with their family. So they start seeing pictures basically of your family, of your history. It takes them out that mentality of saying, oh, I can live here, because they're thinking, no, someone else lives here, and they can't really imagine themselves living there sometimes. So you really want to take out as much personal pictures as possible. Next one is lighten and brighten the home. Now, the paint might have helped out with lighting and brightening the home. If you have black and you switch it to white, that's going to make a huge difference, right? So light and bright with the paint, but then also too, when the showings happen or when the photos happen, we're going to want to have everything open the blinds, turn the lights, make it feel brighter and bigger. The next one is clean the carpets and the floors. Now, sometimes a simple basically cleaning, right, of the floors, the carpets, is going to make a world of difference, right? So I mean, you can get a professional cleaner for a couple $100. If you can't get a professional cleaner, do it yourself. There's so many easy ways. There's so many YouTube videos out there where you can look at the carpet, you can look at the bathroom, but a deep clean is going to make a world of difference. The next one is pest problems, right? Termite. In California, that's termite clearance. Now, yes, not all loans need termite clearance, okay? That's a misconception out there. There's some loans that, yes, they do need it. And there's some loans that basically, if it's written into the offer, yes, the lender is going to need it. There's other loans that don't need it. So take a look at the property. You might want to give basically a termite report beforehand, or hold off until you get into escrow, so you can kind of see if there's dry rot or not. But that might be something kind of a judgment thing right there. The next one is that curb appeal. Okay, curb appeal is so huge, right? So you're walking in the property, you're seeing the outside, the landscape is looking nice, and then you walk in the property and you go, oh, okay, I can see myself living here, right? Because most people in the first 5 to 10 seconds of walking to the property are going to say, yes, I can live in this property, right? So that curb appeal is going to help out immensely right there. If you need a landscaper, again, reach out to myself or my team, 858-345-7829. And then the last one, price your home competitively. If you're looking to sell your property in 5, 10, 12 months, right, you can kind of keep an eye on the market and understand, okay, what's happening? Okay, this property was on the market, it didn't sell, it did sell, it sold really fast, but understanding what your competition is out there, okay? And again, if you need a free CMA, right, to really know what your property is worth, feel free to reach out to myself and my team, and we'd love to help you out. Thank you for watching. And if you ever have any sort of questions about any of these things or want any other tips, feel free to reach out. Bye, guys.